Take a moment to check out the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride in this stylish and capable Santa Fe. This midsize crossover delivers confidence and comfort thanks to features like standard driver assistance, a spacious, well-equipped cabin, and standard infotainment tech. Start building your road trip memories. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane keeping assist, backup camera, power liftgate, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows. Rest assured, your Santa Fe has everything you need to make excursions convenient, comfortable, and confident. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.